exposed aggregate before and after, during. This is 8 gallons a minute at about 3,000 psi. A safe pressure for the exposed aggregate and a high enough flow to actually be efficient, quick, speedy, which results in a lower overall cost to the consumer, homeowner, when they're needing to get something like this done. Have it before and after, a little bit of during, and as you can imagine, that's a lot quicker than just a wand. You know, the surface cleaner tips are actually set at a certain height so that it's always consistent versus human error with a wand. You could go a little close, a little bit further, wrong angle, and leave zebra stripes. Harder on the back, harder on the operator, more time consuming, results in higher cost and poorer results for the homeowner. Hire a contractor that has at least, 5.5, 8 gallon minute machine, can run these surface cleaners. It's more efficient, and overall you're going to get a better quality at a lower cost.